It's the Kenmore. That's my issue. This plastic piece broke. It's supposed to stay inside this wheel all the time. So every time I open the dishwasher, it does this. And when there's weight on it, it's pretty annoying. Alright, so I ordered the parts kit for this, and it came without directions. All the parts are symmetrical, left and right, except these. As far as I can tell, these look like they're the same. These are the same. I don't see any difference there. This is the only thing with fasteners. I'm not quite sure what these are for yet. I'm just going to figure it out. There's 4 screws. They all take a Torx. And then there's a pin. It's got a Phillips head on it, but no threads. Oh, it's oh, that's cool. Hold on. What this is a little miniature Phillips to Torx bit converter. So in case you don't have Torx, that's kind of cool. I'm just going to do the one side. Both sides are going to be the same, just in reverse. Okay. I'm not sure if we're reusing that or if these are a replacement. We'll see. I used this dishwasher for years before I realized that well, you won't see it now. This is a height adjustment. Yeah, right there. I never realized that. Looks like these just clip apart. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna try and keep it together so I can figure out how the new one goes. And then this there's clips here. And I mean, it doesn't matter if we break it at this point. Okay. And then this clips on, and there's one more out right here. See right there? That came off. There. There's just a little push tab here that released it. Alright. Well, this fits in like this. It goes on the inside, not the outside. I'm not sure if it needs to be here or here. We'll try it here. It might work on either one. And we know that the thumb lever should go towards the front, which means I'm going to need to use this side. Oops. Okay, so the little thumb thing goes towards the front. Like this. So this has to go in this way, right? Because this curve matches this curve. I'm just not sure when. Let's put this here. This will go. That looks about right. Oh, I see. This has to go in first, like that. So that has to go in first, and then it slides through here. Let's take that out of there. Oh, okay. So that's our adjustment. So these two, that's what sits into there. Okay. I'm getting all this on camera. Okay, that's locked in. Okay. And then this piece, there's a slot over here. There's a slot. And it clips together. I gotta get a driver. Alright, just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna use this little screwdriver converter they gave and see if it's any good. Yeah, it goes in. It's hard to get started, but once it's started, it goes in all right. Alright, so this goes pretty easy. And then these were in the bag with the screws, so we just got to figure out how those clip on. Looks like well, there's a slot on this side, so this goes down. Oh. Okay, I had it backwards. Let's do the other one. So this cavity faces outwards. It goes like this. Right? This isn't how I have the other one. Okay, I see. It's kind of a booger getting lined up. Alright, let me do the other side really quick. And then you gotta kind of rock it towards the front like this. You gotta kind of push it towards the front. Oops. Let's do this last one. Slot goes in and then push it towards the front. Boom. Alright. Oh, that was pretty easy. The kit did not come with new versions of these, so you don't want to break them taking them off. Let's see. There, they go on pretty easy. They come in from the side, like this. Not like this. Coming from the inside. Alright. And then we can pick it up. Down. Sweet.